Hey guys, welcome back to Humble Fit, where if the shirt fits, wear it. But first you gotta buy it. But anyway, yeah, you guys, I have a t-shirt business too called the Humbo Unlimited. And I've been printing shirts for almost 20 years. But anyway, if you guys stay tuned and for further videos, I'll be doing some videos on how to make your own screen printing machine and also how to expose the screens and print t-shirts. Okay. And anyway, yeah, we are having a craft fair coming up December 12th at the Coca Marina Shopping Center. Yeah, so if you guys can come check us out, you guys. We'll be having Nogamo Humble t-shirts, and also my son has a hat business. Yeah, he makes custom hats, so come check us out. Yeah, his brand is well rooted. Yeah, beautiful hats, you guys. Yeah, so come check us out, Coca Marina, December 12th. We'll see you there, you guys. And don't forget, no grumble, be humble. Aloha.